Hi, today I'm going to share my takeaways about cin and cout. Cin and cout are basic C++ operators for input and output. These operators are a method of communication with user. Cin stands for character in, cout stands for character out. In order for these operators to work correctly, you have to include the library iostream. In this program, you can see a basic example of cin and cout. First, our program is going to output the line. Please enter the number of books in the library. Next step, we're going to input our answer, for example, 5. And after that, our program is going to answer our question, number of books in the library are 5. Thank you.